Here with Clement. We're just working at a hackathon over a weekend. So we're developing something called duckfinder, which allows us to find where our colleagues are.
Yep, this is it. So basically for that project we're going to start using OpenPaths, which is basically a service provided by a company. Well, it's the R&D department of the New York Times magazine, newspaper, and they're providing an API and also two apps, one for Android and one for iOS. So basically,
someone walks around with their device, and then we can track where they are. And
so basically, you log in with your app. The app is running in the background of your device. That would be our tracker for the individuals in the company. And then we're going to use that API to retrieve all the data we need. And then we're going to build the front end to interact with it well and to give the information to the end user. So basically I start to dig into the API, the project itself, to see how I can interact with it. They're using OAuth 2, version 2, which is basically the protocol to interact with the API, so I'm going to have to dig into it, because it's not a well-known provider like Facebook or LinkedIn, it's an independent one. So I have to build my own provider for that.
That's OpenPaths.
Yeah, to communicate with OpenPaths. So we're gonna I started to install my Laravel application. We're gonna use Laravel for that. So I just installed the plain Laravel dependencies and stuff. Now I have a Laravel application up and running. I started also to use a Gravatar package for that, because we're going to retrieve the duck faces of everyone using Gravatar. I'm going to use also an OAuth package to interact with the library. So that's it basically for the moment. So I'm still digging into the API here and see how they can how I can interact with them. They're going to use like some secure protocol. They're very on security. They're very
big on it.
That's very serious for them. So it's serious business here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the moment. We're gonna keep you posted.